Hi, I'm Nathan Hutchins. I've been drumming for just over 20 years. I've just recently been endorsed by Soultone Cymbals. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free. So, in the studio, and I've got all the cymbals set up on the kit. They are looking absolutely shiny and beautiful, and I can't wait to show you how they sound. So, thanks to Soultone Cymbals for endorsing me. I'm really proud to be a part of the Soultone family. It's amazing. Thank you very much. The cymbals are brilliant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing lots of originals and lots of covers. So there's going to be lots to see, all genres coming around. So yeah, cheers for watching. Thank you very much.